Cinderella filmed it. Hey, look at Ari fine ass. Cinderella filmed it. Hey, look at Ari fine ass. Okay. Right now. Cinderella filmed it. Right now. Right now.
I saw this in my sleep every night. Yes, sir. I started making music 4 years ago in a small city in Ghana called Konongo-Zongo. And there was no way nobody was going to convince me that I wouldn't be here, that my music wasn't going global. Thank you so much, BET. Thank you to God. Amen. Thank you to God. Thank you to my mom. Thank you to my dad. Thank you to my team. I love you guys so much. And to each and every one of you here, remember you are kings and queens back home. Welcome back home. Come back home, yeah? Easy. Yeah.